Hello everyone, welcome to Art Around House. I am Kala Ponnuri. In today's video, we are going to make a beautiful decor using this plastic bottle and core of a tissue roll. So first, let's see the materials required. Firstly, remove the label on the bottle. Make markings using existing design on the bottle as you are seeing in the video and cut it along the marking. After cutting, don't discard the bottom part, we can always use it later. To make it more clear, I am showing it again how the marking was made on another bottle. You can make a continuous line or dotted lines to separate the crown part. This is how it looks after finished making dotted lines. Make some design as per your wish below the crown part. Now you must have understood that we are going to make a human face. We are going to make eyes, ears and everything using M-seal. I drew a line in the center to stick the eyes at equal distance and to stick nose. Now you may just follow the video for detailing. To make the features perfectly, it takes little more time, so don't mix the two components of M-seal in large quantity. You have to wait little longer time for the M-seal to become hard to make features. Now wipe off that center line as we don't require it anymore. Instead of making plain ears, make threads of M-seal and fold them to form half circle as you are seeing. After folding, trim off the extra M-seal and stick the ears using fabric glue. You can make ornaments like nose ring, earrings and stick them on the face. Now we will paint the face using metallic gold color. But don't forget to dab with sponge to get uniform coat of painting. So this is how it looks after the first coat of painting. As I felt it's looking too goldish, while doing the second coat of painting, I added little metallic bronze along with metallic gold and smudged with the sponge. Let it dry completely, meanwhile we will paint the tissue roll. Add POP, that is plaster of Paris, in acrylic paint and paint the tissue roll. The paint should be quite thick after adding POP. Apply one coat of painting now. Now add more POP in the paint to form a thick paste and then add that paste on the tissue roll. Then run the brush gently on the roll to form lines. This is to give a tree bark finish on the roll. Now instead of keeping them plain, we will stick some jute rope on some part of the tissue roll. As the crown part is empty, I made M-seal motifs using clay stamp and cut it into half and stuck it. Now highlight the motif design by dabbing some metallic gold using a sponge. Now apply very little black paint on sponge and then apply gold and then dab on only the features part to highlight them. But before dabbing on the face, just test it on a piece of paper to make sure the paint is not very dark. If the paint is dark, then add little more gold. Finish dabbing and let it dry completely. Make some more designs using 3D liner wherever needed and then apply 2 coats of varnish. Coming to the display part, you have more options over here. Firstly, place the face part over the tissue roll. Just place a tea light inside and see the effect. Don't you think you can use them as lamps? Or you can use them as a decor by placing them anywhere in the house. Or you can place any plants if you have which are in small pots. Okay, if you don't have small pots, then add some water as they are just plastic bottles and then place some water grown plants inside. So using very few materials and by simple procedures, you can still make wonderful decor. So this is what art around house is all about. I hope you all enjoyed my video, and guys, please don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are watching for the first time, and see you all in my next video with more creations. Till then, bye bye, take care.